I hope that you are having a great day. Welcome back. My name is Andrea Carver and I am a leader with 31. And today I'm going to share with you about our business opportunity with 31 this season. So there's really been no better time to join as a 31 consultant. Whether you are interested in making some extra money, that was me, still is me. Maybe you just need something for you. Maybe your life is so busy, you're doing for others all of the time, and you just need something for you. It's okay, I promise you. Maybe you just need to get out of the house. Maybe you want a way to be able to help your community, do fundraisers and give backs. 31 might be the fit for you. And it's okay if you want to join, but you don't really know why. You just love the products so much. That was kind of me. The products drew me in, and then I was loving them so much. Then I was interested in the business opportunity and thought, hey, well, what if I can make some extra money while I'm doing this? So that's okay too. But I love being able to pay for those extras, Chick-fil-A visits, maybe something on Amazon or Starbucks, all of the things. I love being able to say yes to my kids if they want to, maybe go somewhere or, go to an amusement park. I love being able to say yes to them. So the 31 business opportunity has blessed me, and I love being able to share that blessing with others. Some people really may not even know that our name 31 actually comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, where it talks about the virtuous woman and how she's worthy of honor and praise and how her price is far above rubies. So she enriches the life of her husband, her children, her family, and her community. So with 31, it is our mission to celebrate, encourage, and reward women of all walks of life. So if any of this interests you or even piques your interest just a little bit, I'd love to chat with you and answer any questions that you have about the business opportunity. I'll link everything below of how you can get in touch with me. We actually have 2 different enrollment kits this season with 31. Now, the enrollment kits are what just gets you in the door, okay? When you go to my website and you click Be a Consultant, it'll ask you, all your information, and then it'll ask you which enrollment kit that you would like to choose. So you'll choose your enrollment kit. After you completely enroll as a consultant, you'll receive an email from 31 telling you how to place the order for your kit. So we have 2 different enrollment kits. We have a $50 kit, which is called our, I cannot even remember the name of it, the starter kit. And then we have a $150 kit called our deluxe kit. Now, both kits have everything that you need to get started. Maybe, you can choose your kit according to your budget, or maybe you already have a ton of the products, so you want to grab that smaller kit, whatever kit that you would like to choose. But I promise you both will come with everything that you need. So that $50 kit is valued at $177. So you're going to receive our large utility tote. Y'all know this is our #1 selling product, right? Our large utility tote. It's been around, I think, since 2009. We've sold over, I think, 16 million large utility totes. So they are an amazing tote. So you'll receive, with the $50 kit, you'll receive that large utility tote. You'll also receive our new slim wallet. So here's the front of it, the slim wallet with a wristlet strap. And with the enrollment kits, you do get to choose your own prints when you place that order for your kit. And then the items that come personalized, so the large utility tote is one of them, you'll get to choose your own personalization on that. But this is the slim wallet, comes with the wristlet strap. You've got that change purse there on the back, a full zipper closure here. And then you open it up and you have card slots, ID slots, placed back here, placed back here. So love that this is the slim wallet. It does come in that $50 kit. Also, you'll receive our new, this is the double zip crossbody. This is in that mulberry print. Of course, comes with that crossbody strap that is adjustable. New hardware here, and this is one of the items that gets personalized as well. You've got, it's called the double zip crossbody because you have a double zipper. So you have that zipper compartment here on the front, and then also one in the back with built-in card slots. Do you see that? And one fun thing that I love that 31 does is they set you up for success. Now, this slim wallet actually fits inside of this crossbody. So it gives you a solution set right from the get-go to share with your customers. Hey, look at this. And so all of these things, all of our items pair together, and we love to call that core plus two. One core product plus another one. So This double zip crossbody is going to be your core product. And then we're going to pair that with the slim wallet and a wristlet strap. So you have a solution set not only for you, but to share with your customers from the get-go. All right. And then also in your enrollment kit, you're going to receive a canvas zipper pouch. So no large utility tote is complete without a zipper pouch, because you always need all the pockets, right? So, and also in your enrollment kit, you're going to receive a pack of catalogs to help you get started, to share with your customers. You'll also receive information about our new consultant program called our AMP Jumpstart, and that is where you earn new products along with your enrollment kit when you hit certain milestones at your 30 and 90 day mark as a consultant. So I have a little tracker that I send to all of my new consultants, and you'll have all that information on our 31 website as well. And then also you'll receive our how-to guide. This is gold when you first get started. It tells you step by step what to do, how to get started, words to say, all of the things. Now, it will take a few days for your enrollment kit to get to you. So in the meantime, you'll receive a couple of things. Number one, you'll receive me to help you get started. We'll start getting your kickoff party shopping link created. We'll create your VIP group on Facebook, because that's where we're going to do your kickoff party. So I'll help you step by step to get started in that as well. And then in a couple of days, you'll receive your enrollment kit and you'll have everything that you need to get started. Now, that was our $50 starter kit. We also have our deluxe kit, and you do receive several more products in that one. I'm going to show you a couple of those. So in that $150 kit, you'll receive, this is the soft cooler insert. So this just snaps into your large utility tote through the little grommets right here. So it's a cooler that fits inside of your large utility tote. You'll also receive this is our Voyager tote with a modern toiletry bag to go along with that. Love that this is our Voyager tote because it has a trolley sleeve here on the back, so you can use this on with your luggage. Also, you'll receive in that larger kit the signature tote. Love this tote. It also has that trolley sleeve, so you can use this when you travel, cell phone pocket. And then it will come with our commuter tote organizer, which is another one that I love. If I can grab it and get it out of here. So lots of organization on the inside of this. So this is that, and also in that larger kit, you'll receive an essential storage tote. That's one of the items that come with personalization. And did I miss one? I think that was the only thing I didn't share. So that is the deluxe kit. So I'd love to know in the comments, if you were enrolling as a 31 consultant, which kit would you choose? Would you choose the starter kit, or would you choose the deluxe kit? I would love to know that. So please answer that in the comments. Like I said, if you're interested in the business opportunity, I'd love to chat with you. I'm an open book, and I'd love to answer any questions that you have. I'll link everything below. You can get in touch with me on Facebook, or you can just, of course, reply here. But if you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant of your own, and you are in the United States and you're interested in joining as a consultant, I would love to chat with you. Please reach out to me before we enroll, and we can get you started from the get-go. I know one thing that was super helpful for me when I enrolled as a consultant was back then, when you enrolled on the website, you had to list your first 4 hostesses before you could enroll. And so that was a little intimidating at first, but before I enrolled, I had 4 people that said that they would do a party with me to help me get started. And so I went into being a consultant. I did my launch party, but I had 4 parties already set up. So, I mean, you don't have to do that, but I will tell you, it is so helpful in getting started, knowing that you've got 4 hostesses that are going to host with you and help you get started with your business. I always tell my team, get your ask in gear, because the answer is always no unless you ask. But I got lots more tips for you. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. Okay.